Ever met someone who just seems to see the future? They make one smart move after another while everyone else scrambles to keep up. That's sagacity, the rare mix of wisdom, insight, and sharp judgment that separates the lucky from the truly clever. It's what helps leaders read the room, investors sense a crash, and friends give advice that actually saves you. When you act with sagacity, you're not guessing, you're calculating. Follow Spectacular Vernacular and start sounding just as brilliant as you are.